It's time to gear up for spring cleaning. Sweep out those bays and prepare for warmer months ahead. Hi, I'm Deborah, the content manager at Autoshop Solutions, an automotive marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Warmer weather is coming, and all those elective maintenance auto repairs your customers put off until spring, well, the time has come. So what can you do to prepare, ramp up your marketing, and help your shop get ready for the spring season? Spring is all about renewal, and what is a better time to renew your marketing and get your customers back in your base? We have some ideas and some answers. Update your content or blogs. When was the last time you updated your website? If it's been a while, it could be time for a redesign. Update your design, keywords, content, images, SEO, and blogs to freshen up your marketing outreach. Spring is an excellent time for a makeover. Ask customers for reviews and referrals. Asking your customers to review your shop and services after repairs or maintenance is free advertising for your business. Who better to toot your horn than a happy customer? New customers seek valuable feedback when searching for a new auto repair shop. They want to know you're trustworthy, dependable, and you offer fair prices. Don't let a happy customer walk out the door without asking them for a review or to refer their friends and family. Run a spring PPC advertising campaign. Give your customers a chance to save money by running a campaign for spring savings that gets them into your shop. They may need to change their tires, get an inspection, or get an oil change. Advertise a sale for an oil change, a tune-up, or spring maintenance. Follow up with old clients and reach out to new ones. If you haven't seen some clients in a while, it's time to reach out. Send them a special offer, a discount via email, direct mail, or a phone call. Reaching out to stagnant customers lets them know you're thinking of them. On the flip side, you can do the same to attract new customers who have never visited your shop. Extending an invitation may be the push they need to take care of that repair or maintenance service they've been putting off. Are you still looking for ways to maximize your marketing and get seen on or offline? As a shop owner, you should use every marketing avenue available to fill your bays. Participate in community events to get recognized. Blogs can be a means to target specific services and attract customers. Network within organizations or events that are relevant to your business. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you need help with your marketing or website, spring is no better time than now. Let us know if you have a question or an idea we can feature in an Autoshop Academy video. Submit your ideas or questions through the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.